Ranger Super Duty, a heavy-duty version of the already successful Ranger pickup. Designed for demanding jobs and harsh environments, this new model brings serious upgrades in capability and durability. Unfortunately for American truck enthusiasts, it's only set to launch in select global markets like Australia. Built for the toughest conditions, the Ranger Super Duty features a higher ride height, wider track, aggressive fender flares, and rugged 33-inch General Grabber all-terrain tires. It's instantly recognizable thanks to a bold new hood design stamped with Super Duty lettering, while a steel front bumper with integrated mounting points for extra lights adds to its functional style. Ford didn't stop there. A factory-fitted snorkel ensures safe water crossings, and larger wing mirrors improve visibility. But the standout feature is its impressive towing capacity, now rated at 9,921 pounds, a huge jump from the standard Ranger's 7,716 pounds. The Ranger Super Duty will be available in several configurations, including single cab chassis, super cab chassis, and double cab models, making it perfect for work fleets, emergency services, and adventurous private owners alike. Ford worked closely with over 50 companies, including fleet operators, to develop a pickup that's as versatile as it is capable. While some hoped for the powerful engine from the Ranger Raptor, the Super Duty sticks with an upgraded version of the 3.0-liter turbo diesel V6, optimized to meet heavy-duty emissions standards. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering the right mix of power and efficiency for serious workloads. Additional upgrades include a massive 34-gallon fuel tank for long-distance travel, front and rear-locking differentials for superior off-road performance, and a reinforced chassis to handle extreme towing demands. Ford even added onboard scales that estimate the weight in the truck bed, a feature perfect for worksite efficiency. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but deliveries are expected to begin in 2026. Until then, American fans of tough, diesel-powered pickups will have to admire this beast from afar, or start planning a trip down under.